my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and this is the LineDotArrow design team project called Flower Reflections that I did for the month of June of 2022. Now there is lace throughout the whole book. This is crocheted lace, and I put some on every page because I liked it so much, and I love all the images in the book. And this one is one of my favorites because I love tulips so much. It ties with a little thin ribbon. On the first page there's an envelope held down with a belly band, and you can see the glossy accents on all the daisies in the book and all the birds and all the butterflies and the dragonflies. So all the hummingbirds on here have been done. They're really pretty in person. I hope they're pretty on camera too. I hope it comes through. On this page is one of the kit pockets with the note card with a little tuck on it. And then the note card has been turned into a little notebook, and it's been stenciled inside. I split the inking between Victorian Velvet and Vintage Photo. In between the pages here, I forgot to mention, there's a tag that runs the length of the book. And of course it won't go back in because it's on camera. It's camera shy. Doesn't want to perform. On the back it is coffee dyed, and it's inked in Vintage Photo. On this page is a double envelope pocket. This is an envelope that I printed on and then cut in half. And I put some ephemera in here. When you take the ephemera out, using the envelopes, I have still recreated the whole image. This is just some of the ephemera with the kit. There was a lot, and I had quite a bit left over as well. Even the little tags don't want to cooperate. On this page is the image of the little girl, and when you take this up, there's a double up tuck, and then her image is on the page. And on the back is a writing card with the graph paper, and it matches. Oops. And then in between the pages here is a tag that I'm not going to pull out. On this page is another envelope, and when you open it, there's a writing card inside with the graph paper, and it's coffee dyed on the back. And I used repositionable tape on here so that you can open and close the envelope and it stays flat. There's also a writing card under here. It's kind of hidden. Kind of hard to see when you put it back in there. It kind of blends in. On this page is a collage tuck, and you can see the butterflies have been done with glossy accents, and also the oval in this picture. All these little ovals have been done, and it seems to magnify and clarify the image. And on here it brings the little flowers, which it is a copy of this image here, and it just brings it out. Okay, and then when you take these two tags out, there's also a writing card or a little ephemera piece that comes out that looks like it's part of the collage, but it's not. And the butterfly's been accented as well. On this page, I've used envelopes and notebooks throughout the whole book because like I said, there's not a lot of room to write in the book. It's more a pretty to look at book. So instead, I've added a lot of writing places. This is an envelope, a junk mail envelope. Inside is the little booklet from the kit with the daisies been accented on it. And on the inside it has been stenciled in Victorian velvet. Victorian velvet vintage photo. It's kind of hard to keep them apart. I mean, you can tell by looking at them, but saying them. Then there's these two little insects. Not really sure what they are. Butterflies, grasshoppers, dragonflies. And then there's these two little bitty tickets. And they go in here. On this page, which is the last page of the book, is a large notebook. And everything, even the flower, has been accented. When you take it out, there's an image on the back, which is the mirror image of the image on that other page, except for I left the border this time. And there's coffee dyed paper inside, and it tries to jump out of your hand because it's magic. It's a magic notebook. And on this page is another envelope printed to be a hidden pocket. And so that means this is the image under here as well. And it has been accented just like the cover of the notebook has been accented. And then over here is a little hidden writing card. Which dare not go back. And that goes in there like that. And then you have the back cover, which has been, all the daisies have been highlighted. And then there's also a pocket on the back that I didn't put a writing card in yet. It's the only spot that I haven't got done. And I didn't realize it until just this second. So that's it for the book. And I really appreciate Natalie over at LineDotArrow asking me to do the project this month. And I had a really great time. All the links for her Etsy shop and Facebook group and all those important links will be listed below the video, so be sure to go over there and check her out. And also pick up this kit, Floral Reflections, if you get a chance. Flower Reflections. Sorry about that, Natalie. Flower Reflections when you get a chance. Okay, thank you very much. You have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. And that'll be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.